Welcome. In this video I will show you how to zoom in on LG Gram's display. To magnify your display, you simply have to use the combination of two keys, Windows and plus. Once you press Windows and plus button simultaneously, your screen will be zoomed and you will see this magnifier bar on your screen. Here you can change the zoom level by pressing the minus and plus icons. You can reset the previous zoom levels using the following two icons. You can read from the screen pressing the play icon.
LG display extension WND.
And if you want to start reading from some specific place, you can use this icon and then click on the place on your screen that you want to start reading from.
Start.
If you want to change some settings of your magnifier, you can open quick settings right here and change the speed of the magnifier by moving the slider either to the left to decrease it or to the right to increase it. And you can change the voice of the reader right here. Now you can also go to the settings for more advanced changes, but you can do this not only from here but right from the start menu. To do that, go to the start settings. Now on the sidebar select accessibility and then go to magnifier. And now you can enable or disable magnifier here by switching this toggle. You can change the zoom level and the increment using the following two options. And what's most important, you can adjust the view of the magnifier. Expand this list and select the magnifier view that you need. You can pick between docked magnifier, full screen magnifier, or the lens one. And each of the magnifier has its own settings. For example, let's check the full screen view. In case of the full screen view, you can make magnifier follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, or narrator cursor. By default, they're all followed. And you can also make the mouse pointer and the text cursor either stay within the edges of on the screen or be centered on the screen all the time. Now this works in a way that if you, for example, keep the mouse pointer centered on the screen, the magnifier will start looking like this. Now when it's kept within the edges of the screen, it behaves like this. Now for the docked magnifier, there are pretty much the same settings. Here's what it looks like. You can also adjust its size by moving the bar between the window and the magnifier, or basically just move the bar below the magnifier to increase its increase or decrease its size. And as for the settings, we only have following settings, so you can so once again you can uncheck one of these checkboxes to make magnifier stop following one of these things. Now as for the lens magnifier, which looks somewhat like this, you can change its width and height by moving the respective sliders, and this way you can adjust this magnifier to your needs. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.